Hello people, I'm your host Surbhi Agarwal. Welcome to a new episode of Random Hot Talks. Hope you are doing great, and if not, then hope you'll be fine soon. Keep trying and don't give up on yourself. And if you are listening to me for the very first time, then here's a brief introduction for you. Here I talk about random things which I believe needs to be talked about, and I hope these random talks can make you live your life a little more peacefully and happily. So let's get started with today's episode. Today's episode is about duties and rights. Two words which holds heavy meaning, isn't it? Why I choose this topic for today? Because I have experienced and learned in my own life how these two words affect us and people around us. I believe that duties and rights should always go hand in hand. If we only burden someone with duties and responsibilities but don't give them any rights, then it's most likely that there are going to be issues and conflicts. Let's take an example to make it little easier for you to understand. Suppose you assigned the same work to two different persons. Let's say A and B. To A, you gave the right to take certain decisions on their own and you held them accountable for that. You also gave them freedom to add certain level of creativity of their own to the work you assigned to them. And to B, you didn't give any right of freedom. You just gave them tasks to complete and you expected them to follow your orders. Now, who do you think will cooperate with you more? Who do you think will undertake the duty you assign to them more efficiently? A, right? Because of two reasons. First being that you allowed A to take certain decisions, and when you held he or she responsible for those decisions, they will work more diligently. Second reason being you allowed them to add their creativity ideas to the work assigned. It will make them to work more hardly, as you are not going to say to them that to do this or to do that. You are actually taking into consideration their ideas too. So yes, to conclude, as I said before, duties and rights should go hand in hand. Remember, if you are trusting them with duties and responsibilities, then you should trust them with some rights too. At last, one more thing. I am telling you this, making podcast about this, so you can understand, take action and treat other people around you more wisely. Yeah, maybe after listening to this episode, you will notice people around you who wants you to fulfill some duties or responsibilities or any task, but they don't give you enough rights. But please don't go to them and say this directly on their face. Possibilities are you are going to offend them. To be honest, we can't change what people do, what people think, what people say to others, how they behave, etc. Me making this podcast and you listening to them does not mean that I'm changing you, right? I'm just spreading experiences, lessons, but it's up to you to decide whether you want to apply this in your life or not. It's like one can show you the path, but to walk on it or not, it's totally up to you. Still, if you wish to let them know that they should give you enough rights too, then you can do it indirectly, like sharing the link of this podcast on your Instagram stories or WhatsApp status, or sharing the link of this podcast in your chat groups or something. If you are thinking that I'm self-promoting here, then you are absolutely right. I am self-promoting. I will appreciate it if you will help me grow too. Jokes apart, my main purpose of making this podcast is to let you know about it, so you shouldn't do the same unwise thing which others are doing to you. That's it for today. Thank you for listening. Let me know whether you guys like this episode or not. You can connect with me on my Instagram handle. My Instagram handle is by the name random_hot talks. Feel free to DM. And if you want to share with me your experiences, your life lessons which helped you to live your life a little more peacefully and happily, then you can also share with me those experiences and life lessons on my Instagram. I will try to include those experiences here. So yes, feel free to share. I will meet you guys on the next episode now. Until then, be kind to others and yourself too. Keep expressing, keep sharing, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye bye.